How does that make you feel, man?
It makes me feel happy.
For real?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Like I was just like bumping my head the whole time. That's really, really cool.
Thank you.
So you've been doing this for a while, right?
Yeah.
Is it always the same feeling when people get to know your music for the first time, get to hear it, get to listen to it for the first time? Because, I mean, being here, the people are going to see you again for the first time.
Yeah.
How's that feeling? Are you used to it or is it the same?
I'm used to it, but sometimes it does burst my bubbles because yeah, you are meeting day in, day out, you're meeting new people.
Yeah.
And for him to just listen to my song right now and dance to it, it means I'm doing something that is great. And so it makes me feel awesome.
Nice one, nice one. How did you find out you've been nominated at the Tgma? Because this is your first nomination.
Yeah.
How did you find out?
I was told by my manager.
Oh, for real?
Yes, of course. He called me. He was like, "Yo, this year you've been nominated for the Tgma
wow.
category," and I was like, "Oh, okay," but I didn't believe it.
Okay.
Not because I haven't worked hard. Let me put it out there, but because I have been over expecting it for a very long time.
Oh,
so when he said, I was like, "Oh, Charlie, if you be pranking for stuff, because I'm not ready for the prank this morning."
Right.
I was like, "Oh, Charlie, it's true." So the next day we are coming to Accra. I was like,
"Oh,
okay.
nice."
And the most amazing news I heard was we are going to Tamale Airport. That was my first time, actually.
Wow.
I was like, "Oh, okay, Tgma for my yard. I'm for playing.
Oh, man.
Shout outs to them."
Yeah, shout outs to them, man.
Yeah.
I love, I talk to you and I get a sense of someone who just loves making music, who is very excited, who is like everything that comes is a plus and a bonus for you. And even that being the case, sometimes we work so hard and we're like, "Charlie, why is this not happening? Or why is it not happening this way?" Have you ever questioned or wondered why it didn't happen earlier? Because again, as you were coming here, your fans were like, "Bro, she's been doing this. She's amazing." And the music is a testament to that. Yeah. So how do you deal with those periods of not being recognized?
I feel like I believe in time and seasons.
Okay.
So sometimes I feel if the nomination is not in or whatever I'm looking for is not in at the moment, it's going to come because I'm working towards it. Yeah. So I don't really get disappointed or I don't really shut myself inside. Okay. But I do my best, hoping that one day it's going to happen. Yeah.
That's nice. Did you feel like you deserved a higher nomination because you've been doing this for so long, or you're not like that?
We have to start from somewhere. You can't just jump and go.
I love the humility.
Yeah, you have to start from somewhere. Yeah. So, yeah, this is a stepping stone for me to hit where I want to go.
Amen.
And so I'm very happy and I'm grateful to God that this nomination has come from me.
Nice one. And recently you performed in Cape Coast, right?
Yeah.
How was that?
You didn't come. You didn't come. You're supposed to be there.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
It was amazing. It's actually my first time.
Okay, in Cape Coast?
Yes.
Okay.
It was my first time and I love their energies. I love their energies so much. Before I was done with my performances, I had calls from most of the TV stations, radio stations. I had calls from some of the event organizers and yeah, it looks good. It was amazing for me.
Bro, you were also looking fly.
Thank you.
Damn, I need that jacket.
That's me there.
I need that jacket, man. Where's your manager? I need to, like, that's literally and figuratively flames,
and
man.
it actually goes with the telecell, red and black.
Right. How happy is your fan base right now, man? People who've actually supported you and followed you.
They can't wait. They can't wait for us to bring the award to the Upper East. We are taking it to the north. My northern people are watching and they are like, "Tell Jason that we are taking the award to the north." We are not capping. We are not playing here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is that something like you honestly think about, like, what if I win? What if I don't win? What's the next step? Because again, like you said, this is a stepping stone and steps are, whether gradual or fast, they're still steps. They happen in sequence, right? Yeah. So are you thinking of that next step, after this?
When we win, cool. When we don't win, we keep pushing the work. Because now I'm seated with you right here. Yeah. This is my first time, but I've been watching your programs and I'm a big fan. I have to tell you here right now. I'm a very big fan of yours.
Thank you.
Yeah, so someone is watching me today. It's because of the nominations that I'm here.
Yeah.
And the person will get to know me because I'm here. And so if we don't win, we just keep working. We keep working. Yeah. The most important thing is is to put the work out there, to let people get to know Alaptawan and what I stand for.
Yeah, and how does it feel, you know, representing, you know, the Upper East, you know, the way you are, carrying, because you're carrying your people on your shoulders.
Full vim. Them they sell, them know.
They know, right?
Them know, so full vim.
Nice,
yeah,
nice. How can people vote for you?
Okay, so my code is U6, so you text U6 to 1767 on only Telecel.
Okay.
Or you visit the www.Ghana Music Awards, their website, and vote for free. Remember, U6 to 1767 on only Telecel.
Nice one. I was telling the previous guest, you know, another blessing is, you know, people now look for your music. People want to find you.
Yeah.
For your previous songs, are they?
Sure. And so we've released a new song.
Okay.
Ever Ready.
Okay. Oh, that's what we're listening to. Oh, man.
It was released on the 18th.
Okay.
So guys, go check it out. It's on all the digital platforms. You can also follow me on all social media handles, Alaptawan. Thank you.
I'm really proud of you, you know. Like, this is my first time meeting you. And again, I can just tell, you know, I've met
you
so
before.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, man. Then I must have escaped me. I
can't remember when we met. Fancy Gadam. No.
Was it?
Was it Fancy Gadam show?
Was it?
Yeah.
Did we talk for long?
No.
Okay,
I couldn't even come close to you.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I was supposed to perform that day, but it didn't happen. So I was like, this would have been my chance to talk to you because I've been watching, as I said earlier, I've been watching your shows, and in fact, you're doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
You keep putting most of the upcoming on, and then you promote Ghana music.
Thank you, man.
So I really love you so much.
Thank you. And I'm going to support you the best way I can. Please send me your artwork, right? Sure. And let me post it, let me share it. I'm going to do that right now before you leave. But I just want to say the energy I get from you, someone who loves the music, you genuinely love what you're doing. And that's the answer to everything, you know. With this job, sometimes they say you have to calculate and you have to do this and meet this person and meet that. It's going to happen the way it's going to. I understand we have to do those things, but it's going to happen the way it's going to happen. I never thought today I'd be sitting in front of one of the biggest stars, you know, ever. But here I am. I'm very proud of myself, you know.
I'm proud to be seated with you
So
too.
to your team and to you, please don't stop. Please keep doing your thing. You know, we always talk about, let's support Bronga Hafo, let's support the Upper East, let's support Kumasi. This is the best way because you guys represent, right? And Ghana is Ghana. Ghana is not Ghana without Volta region. Ghana is not Ghana without the Easting or Accra, right? So please keep doing your thing. And I don't know, is there anything you want to add? Want to tell your fans, people who love you, anything at all?
I have to say shout-outs to them. No, they are going to kill me because they are watching. Shout-outs to my northern people, shout-outs to Upper East for the support. Shout-outs to everyone that has stick and stayed with me throughout this journey. Shout-outs to my team. Shout-outs to myself for the hard work and for not giving up. Shout-outs to you.
Nice. I like that.
Shout-outs to you and everyone in the room here.
Yeah.
What them say? Boom. Them know.
That's what I like. That's what I like. So, your manager is telling me, please tell us again how we can vote before we go.
So my code is U6. So you text U6 to the short code 1767 on only Telecel, or you visit www.Ghana Music Awards to vote freely for me. I'm number 6. So when you get there, you vote for Alaptawan.
So U6, because you're number 6 on there. Okay, so please find her and support her. And your song, you said it's Ever Ready. Is there a music video for it or not yet?
There's a music video for it.
Oh, there is?
Yes,
so
but it's not out yet.
It's not out yet?
Yes.
When is it coming? Manager, when is it coming, man? We want to support her. 1 week?
No, I just said 1 week.
1 week,
I
manager,
didn't know,
sure?
you see.
Are you sure?
He didn't tell me, I didn't know.
So, please, when it's ready, kindly have it over to my producers.
Sure.
Let's support you the best way we can because we know you're going to be there doing your thing, but we have to be here also holding you down. And this year, we're going to get any more music. I know we're talking about the Tgma.
A lot of bangers, so I've been working. We know they sleep,
For real?
Street girl know they sleep. We've been working.
We
know they sleep.
Yeah, they're street.
So more music, more bangers. It's going to blow their mind.
Is this your first song this year?
No. Big God was released.
Big God has been released this year. That one is also out.
It's doing
on all platforms.
Yes, on all
Find it and buy it. Get the music. Vote for her. Support her. Your social media. How can we find you? Alaptawan.
Yes.
We can find you on the
Snapchat. Snapchat is Alaptawan GH.
Alaptawan GH. Okay, so we try to pack in a lot to support baby girl. But I promise you guys, the coming weeks we're going to do our best because I've always said we can sit here and talk about support, but how do we actually support the artists? By buying the music, by finding the music, by supporting them. I can't wait to see you on the night of the TGMAs. With the way you've been looking fly, I'm just wondering, how good you're going to be looking on the night. Side question: do you have what you're going to wear already?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because sometimes, okay, I'm going to change it. I'm not going to wear it.
He just called me and he was like, the one I did for you for the nominees experience jam. We are going to do another one. That one will be crazy. So I'm working on it.
Wait, crazier than what we saw you wearing?
Yeah.
How is that even possible?
That was just for the experience concert.
That
so
was wow.
You can imagine.
I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you. Yeah.
All eyes will be on the Northerners.
Yeah,
Yo.
I believe. Shout out to you, darling. Please find her and support her. I do have to let her go, but I'm going to be here Wednesday, same time, you know, talking to incredible artists, amazing people doing the thing. Enjoy the music. Find her music, you know, Takasa and Kini Ice, you know. These are artists who are doing their thing, following the music. And to the greatest artists right now, to some point, you know, they were not as big as they are. So please supporting her so that one day we can also say, oh, I knew her, and now she's the biggest thing ever. Guys, have a very wonderful afternoon. Salute.